Here are some free tools that can help you map out your online course curriculum. 1. Google Docs/Sheets. Google Docs and Google Sheets are versatile tools for organizing and outlining your course curriculum. Use Google Docs for writing detailed lesson plans, course descriptions, and learning objectives, while Google Sheets can be useful for creating course outlines, timelines, and content calendars. 2. Trello. Trello is a project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and ideas. Create a Trello board for your course and use lists to represent different modules or topics. You can then use cards to break down individual lessons or activities within each module. 3. MindMap. MindMap is a free online mind mapping tool that allows you to visually organize and brainstorm ideas. Use MindMap to create a hierarchical structure for your course curriculum, with main topics branching out into subtopics and individual lessons. 4. Lucidchart. Lucidchart is a diagramming and visual communication tool that can be used to create flowcharts, diagrams, and concept maps. Use Lucidchart to map out the flow of your course content, from overarching themes to specific learning objectives and activities. 5. Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that offers a wide range of templates and design tools for creating visually appealing course materials. Use Canva to design course outlines, infographics, presentations, and other visual aids to complement your curriculum. 6. Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that allows you to create and organize notes, documents, databases, and more. Use Notion to create a centralized hub for your course curriculum, with pages for each module or topic containing detailed outlines, resources, and links. 7. Padlet. Padlet is a virtual bulletin board that allows you to collaborate and share ideas in real time. Create a Padlet board for your course curriculum and invite students to contribute their thoughts, questions, and feedback as you develop the curriculum. 8. Asana. Asana is a project management tool that can help you plan and track the development of your course curriculum. Use Asana to create tasks, set deadlines, and assign responsibilities for each stage of the curriculum development process. These tools offer a range of features and functionalities to help you map out your online course curriculum effectively, from initial brainstorming and organization to detailed planning and execution. Experiment with different tools to find the ones that best suit your workflow and preferences.